put a bullet in my head.
So, what do you think?
So what do I think? I don't know. Nobody actually takes time for themselves anymore. Nobody will want it. I don't want it.
But it's good for everyone. It relieves stress.
It's good for everyone. I don't buy it. Look, you're young, you're handsome, ambitious. I can see that. And by the way, you got a beautiful hair.
Oh, thank you.
You know what? Pack your things, wrap it up. You're fired.
Wait, you gotta give me another chance.
Wait, you gotta give me another chance. Just pack your things and leave the office.
Then you leave me no choice.
No, don't do it, friend!
Hold it!
Zen Egg, man.
There's a lot of stress in this room. It looks like you need a Zen Egg.
An egg? Somebody, please put a bullet in my head.
Violence won't solve anything. Look and listen.
It's cute, but it's too small.
Hi, I'm Gasper. Zen Egg is a tool that helps you to create time for a very important person. For you. Focus on the swaying of a Zen Egg. See how does it find its own balance and gradually calms down in an upright position. Try to mirror the calming event into your body and mind. With every sway, gradually release your inner stress, worries, anxieties, fears, and find your inner balance, just as does the Zen Egg. Place it somewhere in your office or home where you can see it. It will remind you to unplug from your stressful routine. That's how I take a few minutes for myself, to breathe deeply, to refresh, and to reset my mind. This simple habit can improve our performance and well-being, and Zen Egg is here to help you do this more often. Zen Egg is meant to be touched. The egg shape, the wooden touch, the pleasant aroma feels cozy in the hand and help you to tune into the moment of here and now. Roll it, sway it, spin it. It's adorable, isn't it? So, back it if you like it and we'll make it for you. But the most important is to remember to take time for yourself daily. To do nothing. Just breathe.